We did buy a couple interesting souvenirs at the RV Hall of Fame before we left. One, of course, was a t-shirt. And also we bought this interesting sign painted by this elderly man. A link is in the description below. From there we traveled on to Indiana Dunes State Park. So far, 784 miles into our looping Lake Michigan trip. After going through the RV Hall of Fame, we had to cross back up into Michigan for a while to travel along Highway 12. Now we're crossing back over into Indiana. There we go. We're heading to Indiana Dunes State Park. And we're breaking our rules by running for a little while on the expressway. We're only running about 20 miles, then we'll get off. And then we'll use our levelers for the first time at a campground. Okay, here we are at the Indiana Dunes State Park, Site 119, which happens to be an all-concrete site, just a few steps away from the bathrooms and the shower house, in a really nice area. We're supposed to have rainstorms tonight and rain tomorrow. So we're all set up. We'll tilt our awning. And we are now using our new levelers. And boy, we notice the rig is very, very sturdy when we get in and out. Right, Nick? And it's perfectly level. What do you think, Steve?
Pretty nice.
You think so too, Nick?
Pretty nice leveling outfit.
Yeah, it's
nice
sure could be
sturdy.
Easy as soon as we get the dog to not bark every time that it beeps.
Yep.
Oh.
Gotta get used to it.
Yep. Okay, time to set up. Come here. What? Oh, you look outside. What's outside? Oh. Come here. Come here. Get your foot. Wolf. Here we are at the pavilion at Indiana Dunes State Park. We're just parked here for a little while with the motorhome while we explore the beach. We're moving on today back up to Wisconsin. The dunes are big, high piles of sand all along the shoreline, and the campground is way up there on the other side of these dunes. So we opted to drive down instead of walking over. That one's called Devil's Slide. So this says, dangerous current. Beware of strong currents. So you're not supposed to go in here. Wow, this sand is really soft. Reel him in, Steve. It's hard to walk in. Somebody dragged a wagon or a cart out here. Look at the big, huge waves rolling in. There's another puppy dog. Nicholas. Down that way, I believe, is Gary, Indiana. Yeah, let them out longer. Go on, Nick. Go play. Go on, go play, play, play. Not in the mouth, Nick. Keep the rope out of your mouth. Go on, kangaroo. Go play. Run, 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 run. He wants you to run with him, Steve.
That's funny to see.
This is Indiana Dunes State Park. We're down on the beach. Rather windy this morning. There's the big new pavilion they built. And here's the Nicodemus. He says that's a big bathtub. I don't think I want to go in there. Want to go play, Nick? Go play in the sand. He's all tuckered out. Hey, silly boy! Go play. Go play. Are you having fun today? Yeah.
I did quite a bit of running.
Okay. And back to the motorhome we go. kind of timed ourselves this morning, so we hit Chicago between 10 and 11 a.m. We're gonna fly through on the expressway on the bypass. We do have our I-pass. We figure, oh well, if we get snarled up in traffic, we can relax and make breakfast. Ha ha! Toss a couple Jimmy Dean sausages into the microwave as we go slow bumper to bumper traffic. Who knows? I think this dog played so hard this morning, he's gonna sleep. His tongue's hanging low. He needs some water. Right, Nick? Nicodocious, did you have fun? What a way to wear a dog out. And here we are, back to the motorhome. What a great morning on the beach. Okay, go find your water dish. Okay, we're going to retract the levelers.
Did you turn the key off?
Okay, key is off.
Motor's on.
Nick. Nicholas. And there go the levelers. Front ones are up. How about the rear ones?
Yep, they're going up.
Now the rears go up second. Then we go around and visually check them all before we turn it off.
Yep, they're up.
Okay, and then we hit power off. That easy peasy. Boy, is this nice. We're so spoiled. Thank you, Bigfoot.